Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker candy carrots, and I'll be using my Ninja 4-in-1 with Auto IQ. Psst, you. Have you subscribed yet? Okay, so let's get started. So this recipe starts off with 3 bags of carrots? 3 bags of frozen carrots. I can't remember if it was 12 or 16 ounces, but 3 bags of carrots, some cornstarch, some cinnamon, some ground nutmeg, and some ginger. I'll have all the ingredients listed down below in the description box. Brown sugar, white sugar, mix that all together, then add in a drizzle of molasses, followed by some vanilla, butter, salt, and water. And if this looks familiar, this is pretty much how I make my candied yams. I'll have that recipe linked up above and below. So we're going to set our slow cooker to cook for 3 to 4 hours on high. Make sure you stir halfway through. And boom, 4 hours later, we've got candy carrots. Look at that nice, thick, buttery, sweet glaze. So good. And it's not too many sides that come together quite this easily. So what do you think? Are you going to give this a try? This is a hit with my family. The kids love this. So if you like this video, go ahead and help out my channel and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, I'm so confused as to why you wouldn't be, but go ahead and click that button and tap that bell so you know the next time that I upload. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.